Hey everyone, you're on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy using WebHarvy scraping software. Let's get started. Open the software and navigate to Settings. Then proceed to the Proxy Settings section. To add your own proxy, activate the Enable Network Connection with Proxy Server option. You can add a single proxy or import a list of proxies. If you have such a list, click the File button with a green arrow and select the desired file. To add a single proxy, select one of the available protocols from the list above. I'll choose SOCKS 5. Enter the proxy's IP address and port. If you're using a free proxy, a username and password are not required. For a private proxy, enable the Requires Authentication option and fill in the authorization details in the fields below. Once the data is entered, save the proxy by clicking the plus button. Click Apply to activate the settings, and your proxy setup is complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.